This is Tristan's Flexible Kitchen, and today we are seeing how one banana bread recipe can give us many different possibilities. First, let me give you this great and simple recipe for banana bread, and then I will show you just how flexible we can be with it. Starting with our wet ingredients, we need 3 bananas, and for banana bread, the browner and softer the better. I get those peeled and they go into a bowl with 1 cup of sugar, and I just use my whisk to mash those up with the sugar until they are broken down but still a bit chunky. Then I whisk in 2 eggs, half a cup of neutral oil, and mix it all up until it comes together. Then for our dry ingredients, we have 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Then I whisk it all up, and then it's time to add that dry mix to our wet mix, and I just stir it up until I don't see any more bits of flour. Now, as is, this will make a great traditional banana bread, so you can put it in a loaf pan, but when my mom would make this recipe when I was growing up, she would often bake them in a muffin tin, which is great because they bake faster, and it's fun to have them already in these individual servings. And because banana bread is essentially a cake, you can easily put frosting on it as you would cupcakes. Just try out one of your favorite frosting recipes and see how it goes. I personally love these with peanut butter frosting, but I bet a Nutella frosting would also be incredible. And maybe if you were feeling extra adventurous, you could use this banana bread as the base for a tres leches cake. You can poke and soak the cake with the milk mixture as in a traditional recipe, and finish with a sweetened whipped cream and a drizzle of caramel sauce if you are feeling fancy. So, whether you go traditional or twisted slightly, you can't go wrong with this banana bread. I hope you give some of these variations a try, or maybe even consider flexing the recipe in your own way. Don't be afraid to break out of that mold. I'm Tristan. See you next time.